Have you ever wondered what hidden gems lie in Dubai? As the sun rises over the city, casting a golden hue on the towering edifices, we find ourselves in an urban oasis, a city that has risen from the desert sands to claim its place on the global stage. Dubai, known for its glittering skyline dominated by the majestic Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, and the sprawling Dubai Mall, a shopping mecca that houses an aquarium and even an indoor ski resort. Dubai is a city that never ceases to amaze. But as intriguing as these iconic landmarks are, they are just the tip of the iceberg. Beneath the city's glamorous exterior lies a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Places that often escape the tourist radar, yet hold within them stories and experiences that capture the essence of Dubai, its culture, its history, and its heart. Today we peel back the layers of this bustling metropolis to uncover these less-known attractions. We're going beyond the glitz and glamour, beyond the skyscrapers and shopping malls. We're venturing into the heart of the city, into the narrow lanes of old neighborhoods, through the doors of quaint cafes, and into the midst of lush gardens that bloom in the desert. This is where the real magic of Dubai lies, in these uncharted corners that offer a glimpse into the soul of the city. From culinary delights that offer a taste of the local culture, to historical sites that tell tales of the city's past, to natural wonders that defy the desert landscape, Dubai is a city of contrasts and surprises. It's a city that seamlessly blends the old with the new, tradition with innovation, and the familiar with the extraordinary. So, get ready to see Dubai like you've never seen it before, to explore its hidden corners, to immerse yourself in its rich culture, and to experience its unique charm. This is not just a journey through the city, it's a journey into the heart of Dubai. Now let's embark on this thrilling journey to discover Dubai's uncharted paradise. Imagine sipping on a latte in a traditional Arabic setting, but there's a twist. The latte is made from camel milk. Welcome to the Majlis Cafe, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Dubai, where you can experience the unique flavor of camel milk products. Known for its richness and creamy texture, camel milk lends an exotic touch to the cafe's menu, which includes everything from lattes to ice creams and chocolates. Majlis Cafe doesn't just serve coffee, it serves a slice of Dubai's rich cultural heritage. The traditional Arabic ambiance is a soothing retreat from the bustling city. As you relax on plush cushions surrounded by intricate designs and the soft glow of lanterns, you'll feel transported to a different era. But the Majlis Cafe isn't just about ambiance, it's about health too. Camel milk is a superfood, packed with essential nutrients. It's high in vitamin C, lower in fat than cow's milk, and is known to have immune-boosting properties. In Dubai's culture, it's more than just a beverage, it's a symbol of hospitality and a staple of Bedouin tradition. So why not break away from the usual and try a camel milk latte? Or perhaps a scoop of camel milk ice cream? Whether you're a coffee connoisseur, a foodie, or just someone looking for an authentic Dubai experience, the Majlis Cafe has something to offer. A visit to Majlis Cafe offers more than just a cup of coffee, it provides a unique cultural immersion. Next, we journey back in time to Bastakiya, the heart of old Dubai. Nestled within the bustling metropolis, Bastakiya offers a rare glimpse into the city's rich past. As we wander through its narrow, winding lanes, we're transported to a bygone era. Far removed from the glitz and glamour Dubai is now synonymous with. Bastakiya, also known as the Fahidi Historic District, was established at the end of the 19th century by Persian merchants. They were drawn to the area by its proximity to the Dubai Creek, a vital trade route. The district's name, Bastakiya, originates from the Iranian town of Bastak, reflecting the influence of these early settlers. The architecture here is a testament to the ingenuity of the early inhabitants. The buildings, made from coral and gypsum, are characterized by their wind towers, a traditional form of air conditioning. These wind towers, known as bargeels, capture the cool breeze and funnel it down into the homes below, providing respite from the desert heat. But Bastakiya's charm doesn't stop at its architecture. It's also a thriving cultural hub, home to a myriad of art galleries, cafes, and boutiques. The district's art scene is particularly vibrant, with galleries showcasing works from local and international artists alike. Meanwhile, the quaint cafes offer a tranquil setting to enjoy a cup of traditional Arabic coffee. Boutiques scattered throughout the district offer a treasure trove of unique finds, from handcrafted jewelry to traditional Emirati clothing. Shopping here is a far cry from the city's sprawling malls, with each store offering its own unique charm. Bastakiya also plays host to the Sikka Art Fair, an annual event that celebrates contemporary Middle Eastern culture. The fair transforms the district into an open-air art exhibition, further cementing its status as a cultural hotspot. Bastakiya, a step back into the past, brings you closer to the soul of Dubai. It's a testament to the city's ability to preserve its heritage amidst rapid modernization, a charming enclave where tradition and culture thrive amidst the city's ever-evolving landscape. From the old, we move to the new. Welcome to the Dubai Miracle Garden, a floral wonderland in the middle of the desert. Picture this: over 150 million flowers, arranged in vibrant displays that defy the imagination. This is not a mirage, but a living, breathing testament to the audacity of Dubai's vision. Nestled in Dubai land, the Dubai Miracle Garden stretches across an impressive 72,000 square meters. It's a place where Mother Nature dons her most beautiful attire, a tapestry of blossoms that come alive in a riot of colors and scents. From heart-shaped walkways to floral castles, the garden is a playground for the senses. But don't let the beauty fool you. This garden is a marvel of engineering and environmental innovation. After all, maintaining such lush greenery in the arid desert environment is no small feat. It involves a unique subsurface irrigation system that recycles water, demonstrating Dubai's commitment to sustainability. And the show changes every season. Each year, the garden's designers unveil a new layout, ensuring that each visit to this floral wonderland offers a unique experience. From the world's largest floral installation to designs that pay homage to global landmarks, there's always something new to marvel at. The Dubai Miracle Garden is a testament to the city's innovation and creativity. It's a place where the impossible becomes possible, where a desert city blooms in a celebration of life's beauty. Dubai is a city of contrasts, a blend of the old and the new, tradition and innovation, the familiar and the exotic. Rich with history and pulsating with futuristic ambition, it's a place where the charm of the past is alive in the present, and where the innovations of tomorrow are realized today. We've ventured into the heart of this vibrant city, unearthing its hidden treasures. From the authentic taste of camel milk at the Majlis Cafe, a testament to the city's deep-rooted traditions, to the historic lanes of Bastakiya, where the echoes of old Dubai are as palpable as the warm desert breeze. We've marveled at the Dubai Miracle Garden, a living, breathing testament to Dubai's innovative spirit, where millions of flowers bloom in a desert, creating a floral wonderland that defies the very nature of its arid surroundings. These are but a few of the city's many secrets, each one a testament to Dubai's unique blend of tradition and innovation. Yet these hidden gems are just the beginning. Beyond the glitz and glamour of its towering skyscrapers and opulent malls, lies a city steeped in culture, brimming with unexpected delights. From its bustling souks filled with spices and gold to its tranquil beaches offering respite from the city's fast-paced rhythm, Dubai beckons the intrepid traveler to explore, to experience, and to embrace its many contrasts. So the next time you find yourself in this city of dreams, dare to venture beyond the dazzling lights of the main streets. Seek out its hidden corners, immerse yourself in its rich history and vibrant culture. You'll find that in Dubai, the journey is as rewarding as the destination. In Dubai, every corner holds a surprise, every alley a secret waiting to be discovered. It's a city that promises an unforgettable journey to those who dare to venture off the beaten path.